Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon affiliate account step by step in 2026, even if you are a complete beginner and have never done affiliate marketing before. This tutorial is perfect if you want to make money recommending products, you're new to affiliate marketing, you don't know which Amazon site to choose, you're afraid of getting rejected. By the end of this video, you will have fully created Amazon associate account and understand what to do next. Let's start. What is Amazon affiliate marketing, right? Amazon affiliate marketing means you recommend Amazon product, you get a special link. When someone buys using your link, you earn a commission. You don't handle shipping, handle customer support, or own the product. Amazon does everything. You just send traffic. Now, what you're gonna do, go to the Amazon associate website or affiliate/program.amazon.com. All right, and this is the Amazon's official affiliate platform. And what you're gonna do, just hit sign up, log in or create an Amazon account. Now Amazon will ask you to log in with an existing Amazon account or create a new one, right? So let's say I'm proceeding the same one here. Hit continue, right? Let me enter my phone number here. Okay, and then all right, continue, and you can add your website and mobile apps, right? Enter your account information, your name, address, phone number, and this is for payments, tax purposes. Fill it honestly, and then click next. And you're gonna add your website or traffic source. Very important. This step scares beginners, but don't panic. Amazon asks, where will you promote Amazon links? You can enter a website, a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, an Instagram page. If you don't have a website yet, add your YouTube channel or social media. So let me just give a random YouTube. Just go ahead and add it here. Same goes for mobile apps or Alexa. You can add something here like an Instagram account, excuse me. Gonna copy this and add this here, right? And it says enter domain is not allowed for mobile apps. So enter your mobile app or Alexa skill URL. Okay, now what you're gonna do, just hit next. Are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? These traffic sources are not eligible to display banners, widgets, special links, or other ads from Amazon associates. You're required to declare this information. Just hit no and continue, and fill in your details here. Okay, create your affiliate profile. You will choose a store ID, right? Your affiliate name, example, Adam 22, and tell them about the content you create, right? Choose something simple and professional. This becomes part of your affiliate identity, okay? And of course, once you explain the content and everything, they're gonna ask you which of the following best describes your content: blog content or niche website, comparison shopping engine, coupons or deals website. Let's say content. And how did you hear about Amazon? Just online search. You agree to the terms and conditions and just hit finish. Okay, Amazon may ask how you drive traffic, how you monetize. As a beginner, just select basic options and choose content-based traffic, right, as we did now. And what you're gonna do, just hit finish, right? And let me add random answer, and start using Associate Central here, right? You may occasionally need to provide your associate ID to verify your account with us. Your application will be reviewed shortly after you read qualified sales to Amazon. Okay, enter your payment and tax information. If you want to do it now, I prefer you do it now, but you don't have to do it now. Just hit later, right? And done. Okay, your Amazon Associates account is created. You now have access to affiliate dashboard, right? Link creation tools, reports, and earnings. But there's an important rule, right? Amazon gives you 180 days. Within 180 days, you must make at least one sale. If you don't, Amazon closes the account. You can reapply later. So don't panic. Just be active. Inside the dashboard, search for any product. Right? Let's go into the trending now. All right. And let's say I want to see like the product. Let me see the today's deal. All right. Let's say this one. And inside, what you're gonna do, you just simply hit get link here, and a link will be generated, right? You could just take that link out and share it with individuals or social media in general, right? And yeah, you can use it in YouTube descriptions, blog posts, social media where allowed. Now, what not to do: avoid getting banned. Do not click your own links. Ask friends to buy using your link. Spam links everywhere, or use links in emails. This is the Amazon rules. Amazon is strict. Play it clean. To stay safe, right? Add a simple website or YouTube channel. Post helpful content. Add a disclosure, like for example, I earn commissions. That will help you come clean. Right? Amazon prefers real creators, not spammers. And what to do after creating an account? Create content, reviews, tutorials, comparisons, add affiliate links naturally. Focus on helping, not selling. Sales come from trust. Now, creating an Amazon affiliate account in 2026 is free, beginner friendly, one of the easiest ways to start an online income. You don't need big audience, website, or experience. You just need honest content, consistency, patience. So start small, learn fast. If this beginner tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below what video you want me to cover next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.